Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to draw this 3D modeling exercise. This is tutorial number 7. This is tutorial number 7. Please, before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This channel will daily upload with AutoCAD 3D modeling tutorials and other mechanical knowledge. Okay, let's draw. To draw this drawing, please open the AutoCAD. This is the AutoCAD 2017 version. And then choose the workspace to 3D modeling. Here. Before we start the drawing, please check the unit. Type UN, enter decimal, precision 0.00 millimeters. Then OK. Firstly, we have to draw this rectangle box. Okay, the dimension is x value 90 and 60. Okay, choose box here, x value 90, tab key, y value 60, enter, and the height is 45. Enter. And then we have to draw another box. Okay, this box. This x value 30, y value 60, and then z value is 50. 30, 60, 50. Box here 30, tab 60, enter, height is 15. Okay. Use M for the move key. Okay. Specify base point here. Click. Okay. Then we use mirror MI. Choose the mirror 3D. Here. Enter. And then we have to copy, we have to mirror this part to that. Okay, choose the axis is ZY axis. Choose YZ and then specify base point, specify point on YZ plane. Okay. Delete show object, no. Okay. And then we have to cut off that rectangles. 70, 60, and we have to calculate this height. This height is 45 minus 15. 45 minus 15 is 30. This height is 30. Okay, 70, 60, and the height 30. Okay, so the box it's x value 17, tag key. My value 60, enter, the height is 30. Okay. Use the move command, select objects, the midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, now we have to use subtract command. Click subtract, enter this part. The union command to combine 3 packs. Okay, now we have the one solid packs. And then we have draw this cycle, diameter 50 millimeters, and then height is 18 minus 45. 80 minus 45 is the height is 35. Diameter 50. C for the cycle, D for the diameter, 50, enter, use the extrude command. The height is 80 minus 45 is 35. Use the move command to move this object to midpoint, and then again use M command, and the distance is 30 to the center. Okay. Now complete. Okay. Dot view and command 3 to 30 to center. Okay. Use union command. Okay. And then we have to cut this back. Okay, and the smaller diameter is 20, and then this diameter is maybe 30, should be 30. Okay. Draw this back. C for the side gear, D for the diameter is smaller diameter is 20. This diameter is 30. C for the side gear, D for the diameter 30. And we have to calculate this height. So the 80 is the total length, total height. 80 minus 10. 80 minus 30. This length is 30. 80 minus 30 is 50. 50 here to the 50. And then 50 minus 10 is 40. So this length is 40. 4 zeros. Okay. Use N for the move key. Select objects. Then use the loft key. Loft to select objects. Enter. Cross section only. Enter. Now choose the shade widths. Now we have this taper. Okay, and then the diameter is 40 and the height is 10. C for the side gear. Yeah, D for the diameter is 40. Choose the H2 is 10. Use the union command. Enter. And move key. Select object to specify pivot points to this. And use the H2 subtract command. Click, enter, click, enter. You will check the shape width. Okay, now easy, very easy, step by step. Okay, choose the 2D wireframe, isometrics, and then use the radius 10 fillet. Choose this point with the tip, then F for the fillet edge, R for the radius 10. Here, click, enter, and then you have to cut off this hole and 2 holes diameter tray. C for the side gear, click, center, D for the diameter, tray. And then MI for the mirror, select objects, specify first point mirror line, second one. no. Then use the press book command. Here, click. Here, click. Okay. Then choose this radius 7 hole. Click here. One. C for the cycle. Click C for the cycle. Radius 7. Choose press book command. Here, cut off. E, erase cycle. And then we have this reed, two reeds. Okay. The radius at the values 15 and 12. The height is 30. So to draw this reeds, solids, and then choose the wet lids, and the values is 15, 15, tab key, and the width is 12, enter, and the height is 45 minus 50 is 30. 30. And for the move command, select objects, this point to okay. And for the move command, select object, the midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, you will check here. Okay. And we have to use the mirror command, mi 3D mirror. Select this object, enter, and then we have choose the plane is YZ plane. YZ plane. Then enter point. Click no. Okay, very easy. Now, very easy. And then we have to one hole to that one. Diameter 10. To draw this hole, choose UCS new UCS, X plane, Y plane. C for the cycle, diameter 10. 10. And then extrude to very long, 70. Top, and for this part, the base point to that one, and then the height is, and then move again to 21. And for the move command, select object to 21. Use the orbit to view, and then move again to 1. Okay. Now you can use the extrude command. Again, the subtract command. Subtract command. Select object, enter, select object. Okay, very simple. Through code, okay. Choose the fillets. Round fillets are to them. To that edge. Radius 2. Fillet at radius 2. That point, that point, point, this point. Enter, enter. Take off the grid. Shade with X. Now you get this 3D modeling. The union command. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.